Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a PayPal direct debit. This easy guide will help you manage your recurring payments effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Once there, securely log into your personal PayPal account using your registered email address and password. It is crucial to ensure you are on the legitimate PayPal site before entering any sensitive information to protect your account security. After successfully logging in, you will need to locate your payment settings. Look for the Settings icon, often represented by a gear, usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, then navigate to the Payments tab. Within this section, you should see an option labeled Automatic Payments or Pre-Approved Payments. This is where all your recurring subscriptions and direct debits are managed. Now that you are in the Automatic Payments section, you will see a list of all active direct debits and subscriptions. Carefully review this list to identify the specific merchant or service whose direct debit you wish to cancel. Click on the name of that particular merchant. On the next screen, you will find details about the payment. Look for the Cancel button, usually prominent, and click it to initiate the cancellation process. Once you have clicked Cancel, PayPal will typically ask you to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation prompt carefully and proceed to confirm the cancellation. After this, it is a good practice to double-check your automatic payments list to ensure the direct debit no longer appears as active. Additionally, for complete peace of mind, consider reaching out to the merchant directly to inform them of your cancellation, especially if it is a critical service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.